What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Jaynard? Quick demo video for you for your Aniflex V2. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Just got this done early this afternoon, and I had to get through one more install before I sat down and did demos, right? So getting this done now, and then hopefully get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. But it is installed with a Proffie. It's got my removable chassis set up. I put these grips on with some E6000. Normally I would put them on with some double-sided 3M tape, but I am in the middle of moving and I packed my 3M tape, so I put these on with E6000 and it works just the same, right? So they're on there, they're nice and steady. It's a 2-button setup, so your top switch here is your activation, your bottom is your auxiliary. You've got CC sabers in there for your lit PCB, and then how you get to everything is you just want to unscrew the pommel here. I'm doing it with a pair of tweezers. You can do it with whatever you like. If you stick something in there to do it though, just be careful. Don't stick them in there too far because you don't want to hit the speaker. We'll take that pommel out. Once you take the pommel off, you'll see your speaker there, and you can just go like that. Your chassis will come all the way out. This is what your chassis looks like. It says Solo Sabers over here for me. You've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker. You've got a removable battery setup, spring side over here, and then your Proffie board. The Proffie board is a nice snap fit down into the shelf. It's not glued. It's got a little indentation in the chassis here, just in case you need a piece of art tape in the future to hold it down, but you shouldn't need that for a long time, if ever. I just like to put that there just in case. And then this utilizes the Smuggler's Outpost Switch Pixel PCB set. So you've got that one right there. I will unscrew this one time to show you what it looks like, but I don't suggest putting your chassis in this way. I just want to show you what's going on inside the saber. You've got your 14-pin PCB set right there. You can see those pins sticking out. Hopefully you can see that, right? But that never comes out. That is in its own chassis that's static. On one side, obviously, it's holding these, and on the other side, it's holding your CC Sabers PCB there, right? So we'll go ahead and slide this back on. I do see some people like on this Saber when they have removable chassis, they'll unscrew this, put the chassis in, and screw it in that way. I don't suggest doing that. You don't want to put side load on those pins. Those pins are meant to be pressed straight in, and you do that from putting everything into the pommel. All right, so we'll throw a battery in here real quick. This has a stock font package on it. I did not include a copy of the config file because this is a pretty simple setup. It's a 2-button setup. So if you do anything, you'll just start from scratch. But if you need a copy of it, just let me know, and I'll send it to you. No biggie. Okay, we'll throw a battery in here. Now, when you get this, you could take the sticker off your battery. It will probably help the fit a little bit better when the chassis comes out. I'm going to leave it on for now. We'll take that chassis, we'll throw it all the way in there. You don't have to take it out, the sticker off, but if you don't take the sticker off, make it face up. Don't put the sticker inside the chassis, and then you'll be fine. Right? We're going to screw this pommel on. You will need something to screw it all the way in because you want it to be tight. Because this pommel is what locks the chassis in place, and it's what engages those 14 pins, right? So now we can come over here and hit activation. LEDs firing up. Auxiliary. It's like that. We'll throw a blade in this guy. This saber takes a 7/8 inch blade, and if you have a brand new one, you'll be fine. You probably won't have to sand it. Just want to get that blade retention out of the blade chamber. I'll throw this in and then lock it down.
Smooth Jedi.
Very sturdy. Cycle through your colors. If you want a green, right, we'll find a green. About like that and hit power. Now we'll get a green blade when we turn it on. Nice and loud. Some nice blade lockup.
Smooth gray.
With your fire blade. And twist off. So I didn't give you swing on, but I gave you twist off. Okay. We'll go ahead and take the blade out of here, and we'll go over taking the battery out. Very easy to do. Tighten your blade retention back down while I'm thinking about it. I want to come back over and take the pommel off again. Whatever tool you're using to loosen it up, you should only need to do a few turns, and then the rest you can do with your hand. You'll see your speaker there. Just go like that with your hand. Your chassis will pop out, and you can pull it right out. And then from the positive side of the battery over here, or the positive side, yeah, of the battery by the speaker, you can pull it out with your finger just like that. And that's pretty much your Aniflex. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.